Have you ever wondered how psychological stress can actually damage your brain? It's not just a feeling, it's a biological process. In this video, we'll explore how stress triggers the production of tiny, destructive particles called free radicals, and how that affects your brain cells over time. So, what exactly are free radicals? Imagine them as tiny and stable troublemakers. They are molecules that are missing an electron, and this makes them highly reactive. To become stable again, they desperately try to steal an electron from any nearby molecule. When they steal from important parts of your cells, like the cell membrane or even your DNA, they cause what's known as oxidative damage. This process is similar to how metal rusts or an apple turns brown when exposed to air. This damage can disrupt cell function and lead to long-term problems. Now, let's connect this to stress. When you feel stressed, your body kicks into high gear, activating the fight or flight response. Your adrenal glands pump out hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, increases your metabolism to provide a quick burst of energy. This increased metabolic rate isn't just in your muscles, it happens in your brain too. Your brain cells, particularly their powerhouses called mitochondria, start working overtime to produce more energy to handle the perceived threat. Here's where the problem really starts. This constant high-energy production in the mitochondria has an unfortunate side effect. It generates a flood of free radicals. Think of it like a factory running its machines too fast and producing more pollution. On top of that, chronic stress can trigger low-grade inflammation in the brain, where immune cells called microglia release even more free radicals. To make matters worse, prolonged stress weakens your body's natural antioxidant defense systems, which are responsible for neutralizing these harmful molecules. It's a triple threat. More free radicals are produced, inflammation adds to the pile, and your defenses are down. This onslaught of free radicals takes a serious toll on your brain cells. They can attack the fatty membranes of your neurons, causing them to become brittle and dysfunctional. They can damage the DNA within the neuron's nucleus, leading to mutations that can impair its function or even cause cell death. The mitochondria themselves can be damaged, creating a vicious cycle of more free radical production and less energy. An area of the brain particularly vulnerable to this damage is the hippocampus, which is crucial for learning and memory. Studies have shown that under chronic stress, the hippocampus can actually shrink. Over the long term, this cumulative damage can have significant consequences. It can lead to cognitive issues like memory loss and difficulty concentrating. It's also strongly linked to mood disorders, such as anxiety and depression, as the cellular damage disrupts the brain circuits that regulate our emotions. Furthermore, chronic oxidative stress is considered a major contributing factor to the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases later in life, including Alzheimer's. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. You have the power to protect your brain. The key is to reduce oxidative stress. A diet rich in antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, and nuts can help neutralize free radicals. Getting enough quality sleep is also crucial, as your brain's cleanup systems work best while you rest. Finally, actively managing your stress through practices like meditation, exercise, or hobbies can lower cortisol levels and calm your system down. By taking these steps, you can build a protective shield for your brain. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the amazing science of your brain, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.